Hi, my name is Abhinav Lohia. I'm the Managing Director of Global Business Development at Golden Gate Global EB-5 Investment Fund. I'm also a former US immigration attorney. In today's video, I will discuss about the changes brought about by the EB-5 Reform and Integrity Act that was enacted in March of 2022. The EB-5 program has been around since 1990. However, initially it was just a pilot program. By enacting the Reform and Integrity Act, the Congress made EB-5 a permanent program which requires renewal every 5 years. There were a lot of investor-friendly changes that were introduced by the enactment of the EB-5 Reform and Integrity Act. The biggest change that came about with this act was the introduction of grandfathering clause. The grandfathering clause states that if an investor invests in an EB-5 project prior to September 30th, 2026, they will be governed by the laws on the date of filing the petition, and future changes of laws will not impact them. Also, if the EB-5 program is not renewed, they will still get their immigration benefits if they've made a qualifying investment. The second big change that was brought about by the Act was that it allowed for concurrent filing of adjustment of status. Adjustment of status means that an applicant who's residing in the United States on a valid visa can file a green card application and adjust their status from a non-immigrant visa to an immigrant visa without leaving the United States. Another great part about this provision is that these applicants can also get employment authorization. This employment authorization allows EB-5 visa investors based in the United States to work in the States without the need for employment sponsorship till the time they get a green card. Additionally, they can remain in the United States even if their underlying status expires. The third big change that was brought about in the EB-5 program was that the bad actor provision no longer allows people with a criminal record or history of financial crimes to be part of the industry. This has brought about great confidence in the EB-5 visa industry because historically there used to be frauds and there used to be projects that were not executed properly, but USCIS has taken a stand that they will visit the projects, they will make sure that everything is kosher and will not allow criminals to be part of the industry. To learn more about the changes brought about by the EB-5 Reform and Integrity Act, log on to 3gfund.com.